This is a 2007 Mazda 3. It features a 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. With an EPA estimated rating of 31 miles per gallon on the highway, it's easy to see how you can save. Its top features include heated seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, leather seats, cruise control, steering wheel controls, commercial-free satellite radio, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, and this vehicle has fewer than 38,000 miles on the odometer. This Mazda has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Mazda of Clear Lake is located at 20101 Gulf Freeway in Webster. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.